Let's take a look at assignment 4. When we get done with assignment 4, we'll upload it here. So assignment 4 is recreating the 3-column box model of the past CSC site, creating one linked interior page, business aspect, your college, make up the name and focus. So we're going to take this example and change it into your own college. And you're going to start down here with this example prep for assignment. So you'll download that, and it is going to look like this. And then we're going to have some examples that you can look at. This one I think is probably one of the better examples. You can kind of see it really it translates well for this one. You can see they're pretty similar, and it's not too overly complicated if you look at the code. And there's some couple other ones here. Here's the music college, and we have another graphic design college here example. Oh yes, and they do have links to 2 pages. That one doesn't work. And that one, there we go. So it links to 2 different pages. So the pages are going to be a little bit different from each other. And if you change, if you're doing a lot of your images in CSS, you might need to do 2 CSS style sheets, which you'll probably see that also in the examples when you look at them. This one's a little bit broken, and if you're getting really ambitious, this one's a real nice example. You can see the rollovers. And those are some of the examples. So the main objective of this will be using foreground and background properties, and typography will be the main objective. So you can find this in the our classroom, and then if you go into the learning units, and under week 6. So here, these are the lists of the text effects and the typographical styles that we'll be using for this project. So you can use just some of these, line height, font families, styles and weights, fonts, sizing fonts, aligning text, horizontally, vertically, transforming text, decorating text, and then background images. So foreground colors, background elements, adding colors, and background images, and then like repeating and not repeating the images, and positioning the images. And so you have all these. These will kind of tell you, the declaration and how it works. And so you can actually put this in your CSS like this, and try it out. I'll also do some videos and send you links to those on all of these. And so the one thing you also want to do is don't use the lorem ipsum. Try to make the text actual relating to a college. Make sure it's a given theme, like the examples that we were looking at. Background images. So if you go over some of my videos, you can see that this would make a good background image, because you can size it and morph it. This one also be a good background image. These will make good foreground images. So these would be, something you would do in the HTML, and then pattern the text around that. These also would be good foreground images. If you go in here, this would make a good background image here. Again, this would be a good foreground image. And you might take a look at it. I think that's probably how that was. These were probably done. Rollovers. So we're going to add a rollover on the navigation. I believe this is actually not working on the example, but I will try to put this example on the folders on the side and like over here. Sorry. Probably was it week 7, I think it will be, and I'll add that over there in case anybody needs it. So rollovers and adding an extra page, so we'll have 2 different pages that link, and rollovers. The linked interior page, and using effects, which I was just covering back here, these effects. Add some effects to it. And once again, this is where you start, and these are the examples you can look at. Email me if you have any questions.